Welcome to Alpha Review, the premier destination for those who refuse to settle for the ordinary and demand the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury lifestyle. Today, we are not just looking at a vehicle, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in mobile living. We are pulling back the curtain on a machine that defies categorization, a behemoth of style and substance that challenges everything you thought you knew about long-distance travel. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the red behemoth, the ultimate expression of the Mercedes-Benz vision for the future of the luxury motor coach. When you first lay eyes on this machine, the sheer scale of it hits you like a physical force. It is massive, yet it possesses a fluid, aerodynamic grace that makes it look like it's moving at 200 km per hour even when it's standing perfectly still in a showroom. The color, a deep, lustrous, candy apple red, isn't just a paint job. It's a statement of intent. It commands attention. It demands respect. It radiates a level of confidence that only a brand with the heritage of Mercedes-Benz could possibly pull off. This is the culmination of decades of research, a masterclass in industrial design that blends the rugged capability of a commercial transport with the delicate, refined aesthetics of a high-end supercar. Let's start with that exterior profile. The front fascia is an aggressive evolution of the modern Mercedes design language. The iconic TriStar emblem sits proudly in the center of a darkened grille, flanked by ultra-slim, high-intensity LED matrix headlights that look more like precision surgical instruments than traditional lamps. These lights are intelligent, capable of carving out a path of pure daylight through the darkest night without ever blinding oncoming traffic. The lower apron is sculpted with massive air intakes, feeding cooling air to the high-performance powertrain hidden beneath this red shell. It's a face that says you have arrived, But perhaps the most striking feature of the exterior is the rear. As we rotate to the back, you see a design that is truly alien. The way the bodywork flares out to accommodate those massive rear wheels is reminiscent of a wide-body GT3 race car. The aerodynamic sculpting here is functional, managing the airflow to reduce drag and increase high-speed stability. The rear window is a massive, dark monolith, and the vertical LED taillights provide a signature look that will be recognizable from miles away. This is the view most people will have of this vehicle, a fleeting glimpse of red brilliance as it disappears over the horizon. Now, let's step inside, because as impressive as the exterior is, the interior is where the true magic happens. Opening the pneumatic door is like entering another dimension. Forget everything you know about RVs or traditional buses. This is a 5-star penthouse suite that just happens to be mobile. The design philosophy inside is ultra-modern minimalism. There is no clutter here, only clean lines, premium materials, and cutting-edge technology. The living area is anchored by a massive, L-shaped sectional sofa upholstered in the finest, buttery soft red leather, mirroring the exterior's bold hue. It's the kind of seating that invites you to sink in and forget the world outside. Opposite the sofa is a high-definition entertainment center, integrated so perfectly into the black lacquered wall panels that it's almost invisible when turned off. The flooring is a seamless, high-durability composite that feels like polished stone underfoot, reflecting the ambient strip lighting that runs along the ceiling and floorboards. Moving into the galley, you'll find a kitchen that would make a professional chef jealous. Everything is integrated. The induction cooktop, the convection oven, the wine cooler, and the professional-grade espresso machine are all hidden behind sleek, handle-less cabinetry. The countertops are made from a heat-resistant, scratch. But the real luxury is in the back. As we move through the corridor, we enter the master suite. This is a sanctuary. A king-sized bed sits center stage, outfitted with climate-controlled linens and an adjustable firmness system. Above the bed, the ceiling is a starlight headliner, using thousands of fiber optic points to recreate the night sky. The suite features its own private bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, smart mirrors that display your morning schedule, and heated towel racks. Every inch of this space has been optimized for comfort and tranquility. Underpinning all this luxury is a technological marvel. This coach is fully autonomous ready, powered by a whisper-quiet electric drivetrain that delivers massive torque and a range that rivals traditional diesel engines. The suspension is active, scanning the road ahead with LiDAR to pre-adjust for bumps and dips, ensuring that the crystal glass on your dining table never even ripples, no matter the terrain. It is a fortress of solitude and a hub of connectivity, with